Skoda's second best-selling sedan in India is about to get its first major update since launch. The Slavia facelift arrives on August 18th, with prices expected to rise only slightly from the current 10 lakh to 18 lakh 19,000 rupee range. But the real headline isn't styling. It's a brand new 8-speed automatic for the 1-liter TSI, replacing the current 6-speed unit. Everything here is based on confirmed reporting and spy shots from Autocar India and other outlets, since Skoda hasn't released official specs yet, so let's go through exactly what's expected and what's already locked in. On the outside, expect a new front grille with integrated lighting elements, similar to what Skoda already used on the Kushaq and Kodiaq facelifts, along with revised LED headlamp internals and a fresh set of daytime running lights. Both bumpers are expected to be redesigned, and spy shots show a new set of alloy wheels, likely a 17-inch diamond-cut design. Around back, expect new LED tail lamps and illuminated Skoda lettering across the tailgate, a styling touch borrowed from Skoda's newer models. Inside, the biggest change is the instrument cluster. Skoda is expected to fit a larger 10.25-inch fully digital display, replacing the smaller unit in the current car. The central touchscreen, also 10.25 inches, is expected to carry over unchanged. Reports also point to revised seat upholstery and new front parking sensors. One thing worth watching: Skoda's Kushaq facelift gained a rear seat massage function in January. Whether the Slavia gets the same treatment isn't confirmed yet, but it's a real possibility. On features, multiple reports point to Level 2 ADAS being added for the first time, though Skoda hasn't confirmed this officially, so treat it as expected, not guaranteed. There's also talk of a panoramic sunroof replacing the current single-pane unit, though that detail comes from a single source and needs confirmation. What should carry over without much doubt: the wireless phone charger, its speaker sound system, automatic climate control with rear vents, 6 airbags, and tire pressure monitoring. Mechanically, both engines are expected to carry over untouched, the 1-liter TSI making 115 horsepower, and the 1.5-liter TSI making 150 horsepower. The real story is the gearbox. Right now, the 1-liter TSI pairs with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic. That automatic is expected to be replaced by a new 8-speed torque converter unit, the same gearbox that debuted on the Kushaq facelift, which should mean smoother shifts and better fuel efficiency. The 1.5-liter TSI 7-speed DCT is expected to continue unchanged. Here's the current Slavia against what's expected from the facelift, side by side. Engine outputs stay the same either way. The 1-liter automatic gains 2 extra gears, 6 becomes 8. The 1.5-liter DCT is untouched. The instrument cluster grows from a small digital readout to a full 10.25-inch display. ADAS goes from nothing to an expected Level 2 switch. And pricing, currently 10 lakh to 18 lakh 19,000, should only rise slightly, though Skoda hasn't confirmed exact numbers yet. So, should you wait? If you're shopping for a Slavia right now and can hold off 11 days, it's an easy yes. You get a genuinely bigger tech upgrade for what should be a small price bump. If ADAS matters to you, waiting matters even more, since the current car doesn't offer any driver assist features at all. The Slavia will keep competing in the same space: Volkswagen Virtus, Hyundai Verna, and Honda City, and this update should keep it relevant against all three, at least on paper.